we have the capo on the 3rd fret, and we're going to start with an E major shape. We're going to strum down, up, down, then catch G, D, down, up, down, G, D, down, up. So that G kind of rings out for a little bit longer than the other notes. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 bars of that, and then we're going to move to an A minor 11 chord, which is actually a lot easier than it sounds. We just move the 2nd finger up to the 2nd fret of the low E string, and we have 5, 3, 5, 4, or relative to capo, 2, open 2, 1, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, G, D, down, up. Same strumming again for full bars. On the official video, these two shapes are played with a bar chord, G bar chord, first finger bar on the 3rd fret, 5th fret on the A with the 3rd finger, pinky finger on the 5th fret of the D, and the 2nd finger on the 4th fret of the G. And it's exactly the same, down, up, down, G, D, down, up, down, G, D, down, up, down, G, D, down, G, D, down. But for the A minor 7 chord, A minor 11 chord, sorry, we just move the 3rd finger up this time to the 5th fret, so we've got 5, 3, 5, 4, and it's the same. So it's G, A minor 11, I just played on repeat. The intro riff on the 2nd guitar is played using a slide. I'm going to show you the notes here without using a slide because my slide playing skills are not up to scratch. It is 8th fret on the beat, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to leave this to ring for 3 bars. On the 4th bar, we leave it to ring for 2 beats, and then on the 3rd beat, we'll slide from 8 to 10, leave that to ring for 4 beats, down to 8 again, and on the 4th bar on the 3rd beat, this time we'll slide from 5 to 3, and back up to 5. So we'd have 8, 2, 3, 4, 2nd bar, 3rd bar, 4th bar, sliding up to 10, leave to ring for 4 bars, and then down to 8, leave to ring for 4 bars, and on the 4th bar, 5, slide to 3, 5. The main lead riff is a little bit more exciting. It's 8th fret on the beat for 2 bars, 10 for 1 bar, 12 for 1 bar, down to 5 for 2 bars. This is all on the B string. Then again we'll play 5, this time for 1 bar, moving down to 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, sliding up to 8. We're going to hear that note for 2 full bars, but on the last beat of the bar, 8 again, moving straight up to 10, 12, down to 3 for 2 bars. Then we end with this kind of crescendo picking where we get slightly louder as we pick 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So the whole lead riff, 8th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 2, 3, 4, 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 2, 3, 4, 12, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, crescendo. For the heavier guitar parts and the break in the song, there is a slightly different chord progression. It starts off with that E chord. Again, we're just aiming for E and A, this time down in 8th notes for 4 bars. Moving to that A minor 7 chord again, mainly aiming for the E and A strings, but we can just leave the rest of the chord down as kind of security. 1 and 2, 1, 2, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 bars of that before we go to open, obviously relative to capo is 3, 3 and 5, or open, open and 2, and we've got the G sus4 kind of sound. For 4 bars of that, back to the A minor 7. 4 bars of that as well. So we have the G sound. 7 sound. G sus sound. Back to the A minor 7 sound. And then back through as normal. For the official video version of the song, we've got that G bar chord shape. Moving to that A minor 11 shape. Then we kind of just take off the third finger and go 3, 3, 5, bad finger, and then put the third finger back down. And that's the whole kind of heavier guitar part.